Crazy Imagination Travel, Melissa Giles here. I am touring a Coronado Springs newly refurbished room. Our rooms feature 2 queen-size beds, lovely hardwood floors, beautiful desk area, perfect for a family of 4. We have coffee pots in our room, flat screen TVs, sliding barn doors for privacy, and lots of USB ports, so no worries about charging your electronics. It is fantastic. As we step into the bathroom, you have your closet area, lots of storage, hair dryer, a wonderful feature. You've got 2 sinks, nice wooden cabinets, beautiful mirror, our H2O bath products. Our bathrooms all feature stand-up showers now at the Coronado. Beautiful tile. A lovely option in our moderate category. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I'll take great care of you. See you real soon.